Hi my lovelies. I actually need to put more gloss on because I've just had my dinner and I've wiped all my gloss off. I've just done a really fun look. Using Huda Beauty's new, oh my god, did I get that everywhere? No! Using Huda Beauty's new like collection for the winter, icy collection. Got my eyes. So stunned. Oh, this is so nice. Shade She Flirty. Alright, let me get nice and comfy. A big fat advent calendar, the first beauty advent calendar I have. This is the Justmylook advent calendar. We've got 25 days in here and I haven't opened it yet, so I thought we could open it together. So this is worth £300. It does say online at the moment it's £54.99, so £55. It has 20 full-size products in it as well. So I think it's going to be skincare, hair care and makeup. So I'm excited to open it with you guys. Oh, this is like such a treat. Right, so day number 1 is here. Oh, I'm in such a Christmas mood as well. I've been playing some Christmas music. What are these? Oh my god. Olaplex. You've got a shampoo and a conditioner, 20ml each. That is so good for travelling. I literally want to keep them just for when I'm travelling. And I won't use them at home. They're so good. That is a good starter. Right, number 2 is here. So, oh my god, I feel like I need to brush my hair. I'm keeping this hat on because it's putting me in the Christmas mood. Okay, now we've got an Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I wonder what the wand looks like on this. Oh, it's just a normal wand. Can you see that? I love the packaging, it's really cute. This is like a drugstore brand. A lot of Justmylook stuff is drugstore, but it's good drugstore brands, ones that I trust. So that is the second one. Oh, this feels heavy. Oh, it's a little candle. Oh, it's a Yankee candle as well. I can smell it from here. Pink cherry and vanilla. You know what? I'm not the biggest fan of Yankee candles. Like, some are good and then some are just like, they don't smell of anything. This one smells so strong. This is number 4. What we got here? Oh, we've got a little bit of a mini. We've got a cocoa's butter body lotion. This is 50ml. So again, this one, I remember it smelling so nice. That body butter smell, like cocoa body butter, but it's not like chocolatey, it's like cocoa, like. If you're a smart palmers, you'll know what I mean, but this is a nice little travel size again. And are you supposed to open it like this, in fact? Or is that just to help to grab it? There's a little fun thing here. What is this? Shea and Blue Boutique Perfume. Black Tulip Natural Spray Fragrance. This is 10ml. What's this smell like? So that's what that looks like. Is it focusing? Again, a really good like thing to take away with you. I don't know if it's my scent, but it's not like normally I go for like more like strong scents, less sweeter scents, more fresh scents or woody scents, and this one's a like mixture of a little bit sweet but then still like not like almost masculine in a nice way. Okay, what we got in number 6? Number 6. Okay, we've got a Instant Luminous Bronze Sheen for face and body. I can only use Be Bold now. Be Bold's my baby, so I won't be using that one. I knew those were as any time products. I'm not gonna like it unless it's Be Bold. Oh, we've got Wet n Wild. I don't even know the stock's Wet n Wild, you know. Look at that. We've got some shimmers, we've got some mattes. Yeah, really beautiful palette. That's really nice. What the hell is this, like a brush or something? Oh, it's a bath bomb. I can't use bath bombs because it gives me thrush. Might be TMI, but it's the reality. Right, what have we got in this one? Oh, is this skincare? Oh, it is. Oh, it's got a little polar bear. Oh, on the packaging. Oh, it's like a loo. Mix Soon Glacier Water Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Oh, it's a serum and it's 100ml. Oh, I kind of don't want to open that, but I do. But oh my god, it's so cute and it's from Korea. I feel like all the best skincare comes from Korea. What we got in 10? What the hell is this? Oh, it's dry shampoo. Hair again. Peptide Puff Dry Shampoo. Little dry shampoo. I've just restocked myself on my favourite shampoo. So I might have to try this though. So it is. Oh, it's like talcum powder, that kind of thing. Press it like that. I don't know if you can see that, you just press it down and it comes out really slowly. Really into my hair products like recently. Number 11. I feel like I'm not doing this in the right direction for some reason. What we got? Glitter Bells Almond Cuticle Oil. This is something I really love. Oh my god, cuticle oil. I've just bought a gingerbread one, like a pen one for cuticles. But you can never have too many cuticle oils. I get my nails done and I feel like my skin's so dry. What's it smell like? It's very like soft smelling. Yeah, so that's going to be going in my car. Number 12. Ooh, what's this? Miracle Hair Treatment Spray with hydrolyzed oat protein. Wait, 20-in-1 miracle spray. What the hell is this? Benefits: repairs damaged hair, giving it a new release of life. Number 2, deeply nourishes. I can't talk. I need a drink of water. Okay, deeply nourishes and moisturizes dry hair. Do you know what? I'm going to take a time out for 1 minute. I'm going to have a spoonful of honey because my throat is just so dry. Okay, I've just had a spoonful of honey. I've got no water here just in case, but my throat feels so much better. But it's just like a hair spray bottle you put on your hair. Protects the hair from peripheral style. It took me a while because there's like 20 things on here to read. I'm like, Jesus. Just says shake the bottle well and spray it onto clean hair. Then work through with a comb or a brush. Dry and style as usual, can be used on wet or dry hair. Number 13. Oh, Catrice, I love Catrice. This is a tinted lip oil. I don't know where it originates from though. I'll spill the tea. A lip tint oil. Okay, so what we got? Oh, we've got a Welder Food skin food, sorry. I can't use this because I've got skin dermatitis. This doesn't react well with my skin, unfortunately, but I know so many people love this and it's a really good moisturiser. Oh, it's a full size one though, 30ml. Okay, number 15. Oh, Josh Wood Colour Miracle Mask. The colour locking hair glossing deep conditioning mask for every hair colour. That'll come in so much handy for me. So I've had my hair done recently and I don't want the colour to fade because it'll be warm underneath this. And I want to go for like a neutral look, so that's why I've gone like dark brown recently. I used to be copper at 16. This is a big one. Is this a brush? Oh, it is a brush. Justmylook. Oh, is it a wet brush? It's just that kind of brush. I mean, who's got enough hairbrushes? I like a clean, fresh hairbrush as well. Just brush my hair now. Number 17, this is a big one. Oh, okay. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. This is the water gel, and this is the Hydra Boost. Is this the eye cream? It doesn't say. So you get 2 of those. That's number 18. Oh, you got 2 products. You know what? Even before looking at them, I hadn't looked at them. I'm looking at the back of them. I felt the Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and that's NARS dupe. Oh yeah, this is NARS got like NARS Orgasm, that kind of colour, and I feel like this will be that's like a NARS dupe, and then this is a Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Like you can just tell straight away. Do you know the packaging and the blush? You can just see straight away. Oh, we've got 2 products again. I love it when there's 2 in one. What are these? Okay, so I've got the Schwarzkopf Colour Freeze Treatment for coloured hair. What is this? Is this gel, like to gel your hair back? This one's for normal dry hair, the blue one. This one's for coloured hair. Oh, keeps your colouring longer, doesn't it, I'm guessing? A lot of hair care in this, I love it. Why is 24 bigger than 25? Oh, I've got 2 products again. I can't say that. Summit Wonder Black Rice Moisture Soft Cleansing Gel. Collagen Powder. Eye cream. Oh my god, anything with collagen is an eye cream. I've bought so much recently. Ooh. Yeah, it's made in Korea again. Okay, so this is the product. Oh my god. And a full size eye cream. And again, it's good skincare that's in here. I've just bought some eye cream as well. Why is it always happened? Oh, this is a big one, isn't it? Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, we've got a little scrunchie, heatless curling scrunchie from Brushworks. Let's have a look what it looks like. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not the, I mean, I suppose if it's the top of your head, it's not going to bother you when you sleep like a normal one. So you curl it around this and then you just curl it in, I'm guessing. Like you just do the scrunchie over it to secure it. Surely this won't have 2 in it. No. This is, just checked, heat protection. It looks very like sleek and professional. Oh, what the hell is this? It looks like a nail polish bottle. Instant brightening serum for all hair types. Apply a few drops on damp or dry hair. Oh, so it's like a serum. 23, countdown, this is 3. Wait, what's this? Oh, shut up. Clomania, marshmallow sponge. Oh my god, a marshmallow sponge. They're the best ones ever, like the best sponges you can buy, the Clomania. They are the best, the OGs. 24 is massive and it's really light. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Are these sheet masks? Oh, we've got sheet masks. We've got a retinol one and then we've got a glow serum mask. Someone made a good point, retinol, like a sheet mask. It's kind of like pointless because retinol you're supposed to use on a regular basis, so using it once in a sheet mask is kind of defeats the purpose, and it depends how strong it is as well. The glow serum mask is what I'm most interested in. It says a moisturising glow serum mask that brightens the skin with, I can't say that word, Google, vitamin C and harshness. All the harnesses. It harnesses the power of something for a glow care. Korean again. Drum roll. What have we got in number 25? Oh, what's this? Okay, I've got 2 products. I'll close my eyes. What are they? Are they good? Enriched cream. I love how most of this is skincare and hair care. What the hell is this? This must be like a more pricey one. Looks, it's giving like more expensive. It says made with pure centrella from Madagascar. Oh, helps smooth and hydrate the skin. Oh, that looks expensive. I feel like this is just a face cream, but it's like a smaller one. That gives me good hopes that I feel like that's good for like travel again. Okay, so that is everything you get in the advent calendar, which I mean for £55 divided by 25 products, which in some you got £2.20. Really good for like wanting to try out new products. And anything that you don't like, if you like open it before Christmas, you can put in a little stocking filler. That is actually done really, really well. There is a couple of things that I won't use in there, which will just go in like little Christmas basket things for when I make my friends and my family home. If you've enjoyed watching this little unboxing, I love all things Christmas. I'm in such a Christmassy mood, playing Christmas music. It's only mid-November, but at the end of the day, who's gonna tell you off for like playing Christmas music? And I shall see you next week. Bye.